Hi to everybody, thank you very much again to be here following my videos, and again I want to share with you a clinical case where I want to show you what is my process of thinking when I do a planification of a case with Invisalign. Okay, let's see this case where we can see this situation at the beginning of the treatment. You can see here that we have a big problem in the occlusion with this edge-to-edge occlusion, and that has produced to my patient these problems in the shape and a big erosion of the incisal edge on upper and lower incisors. Look also what is the position of this canine that is completely out of the bone, and also we have to analyze what is the shape of the gum. If we compare here where is the gum in this canine and we compare with the other one, we can see here that we have lost some gum because we have some crossbite here and this canine is going out of the bone. Also we have to analyze the patient at the end of the treatment wants to improve the aesthetic and the shape of the incisal edge, but now because this edge-to-edge occlusion is impossible to do this restoration that we are going to do at the end of the treatment, and my sister is going to do this final treatment. Okay, we analyze the shapes, the upper and lower. We can see here this narrow upper arc, narrow lower arc with negative torque here, and that's why we have this crowding here located in the lower incisors. And again, I like to analyze also the X-rays, where we can see here this moderate bone loss in upper and lower incisors. I like to show this to my patient because they will understand at the end that with the alignment it's going to be easier for him to have a good cleaning, so the bone and the gum will improve at the end. Also, we analyze the lateral X-ray, where you can see here the edge-to-edge occlusion. And well, this is the process that I do, the analysis of everything, the cephalometrics and the superimposition with the face, where you can see, well, that what we see inside of the bone is what we see here that we have later in the face. And now we have to decide what we have to do here. Okay, we want to improve this situation, that changing from here, we will improve here, so we will improve at the end the face of our patient. So we have to analyze everything. We have to change the shape of the arc. The first thing that we have to do is to work with the transversal plane to improve the expansion in order to create the space also for the mandible. We have to change the torque, so we have to do not only a pure expansion, we have to do also an increase of the torque where we are going to do the expansion. Here also, we have to improve this position of the incisal edge. We have some intrusion here, so we have to extrude a little bit in order to level with the margin of the canine. But to do that, what we have to do is to improve and to create overjet that we don't have at the beginning. Okay, so to do that, what we have to do is to change the torque and change the crown torque, change the lingual torque, and after that we have to do the extrusion. Okay, so this is the idea: increase the crown torque, increase the lingual torque, and after that do the extrusion. Okay, look at here at the beginning. We are going to improve and to increase the crown torque, the lingual torque, and after that we are going to do the extrusion in order to level the gingival margins. Okay, remember that to do the extrusion we need the root to be inside the alveolar bone. This is very important. Okay, this is the idea, and after that we will have from this situation to this final situation. Okay, we have to see the power rates. It will indicate us that we have we are adding lingual root torque, and after that we will put the extrusion attachments in order to do a pure extrusion at the end. Okay, so this is the process. First, do a transversal arc development. Second, change the torque increasing crown and lingual root torque, and after that do the extrusion movement in order to get this beautiful and final nice result. Here you can see here with the restoration where we have jumped the incisal edge-to-edge occlusion. Now we have overjet. We did after that the extrusion, and now we have this beautiful class 1 occlusion with this beautiful arc side development. We put the implant here, nice alignment of upper and lower arc. And how we change from this situation, this is the verification that I did at the beginning, but to get this result, it was first really important to do the orthodontics to get this final result, the planification that we did, and after that, this is the result that we got in the case. Okay, it's exactly that we did in the planification. Okay, remember that we have had to do first expansion, rotation. You can see here how we change from here. It's like a simulation of a cold spring. Okay, we need to do the open space with that, and with this movement we are going to derotate this molar. Okay, and we are going to distalize at the same time. Okay, you can put, if you want, a double attachments in order to create the space to put after that the implant here to change everything. Look, this is the moment that we need to do. Okay, distalization, the